Welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 42. And the instruction here says, choose the word or group of words that best complete this sentence or this particular sentence. And the sentence here said, power has not been restored dash part of the town. Power has not been restored dash many parts of the town. Rather, power has not been restored dash many parts of the town. Option A 2, B in, C 4, D with. So we cannot say power has not been restored to many parts of the town. The preposition here to qualifies relationship. Not position. But here we're talking of position. Power has not been restored in many parts of the town. So in here as preposition tells us about position. So power has not been restored for many parts of the country cannot be a good preposition for this expression. And we cannot say power has not been restored with many parts of, so this cannot be a good preposition for this expression. The best preposition for this expression or this particular sentence is that power has not been restored in many parts of the town. So in is the correct preposition for this. Now let me quickly sound this about in and at. Listen very well. I cannot say I live at Nigeria is ungrammatical. At cannot, but I can say I live in Nigeria because in is used for a larger position or definite position. So in, but I cannot say that I live in Gogolada because Gogolada is not as big as Nigeria. So one can say I live at Gogolada is grammatically correct. I live at Gogolada because Gogolada is not as big as Nigeria. So that is the use or the usage, grammatical usage of these two prepositions. So we should take note of the use of in and at in grammatical expression. So that's why in this particular expression we're talking many parts of the town, and that's why the person who actually said this question, they very ignore the preposition at, so that it will not create confusion in the mind of the candidate writing this exam. So they really neglect the preposition at as an option to this. So that's why in feature in for this particular. So thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.